Yo, welcome back to the Wico system. Today we got this Chris Brown high taper for y'all with the waves. My apologies for not uploading the video last week, man. We had an unexpected death. If you are an NBA fan, you know we lost Memphis Grizzlies power forward Brandon Clark unexpectedly, untimely, and too soon. And I was blessed to be one of his barbers, so it really caught me off guard, and it was very devastating. And it was on a Tuesday, so I wasn't even able to get the video out. I was gonna drop it Tuesday, wasn't able to get it out. You know, I needed time to just process everything that week. So we back on schedule. We're gonna keep everything rolling. Y'all know how losing somebody go, bro. But we setting that ball line in for that hot taper and cleaning up the facial hair. We just going goatee and mustache today, and we're gonna take our no guard open on our Wahl Senior 2.0s and just carving us out a smooth little workspace, just flicking out using the corner of our blade. And we're gonna knock that out halfway, gonna soften it up, then we're gonna close it up and take out the rest of the line. And with this taper, and with all tapers and fades, just because you go open, halfway, close, or whatever, doesn't mean it's gonna get it out. Sometimes you have to push the fade up some if you're not getting that blend, because each hair texture doesn't give you the desired look that you need to make the tapers and fades pop just by going open, halfway, close. On my page, it's a lot of trial and error, just experimenting with the hair textures. You just got to see what best fits you, because as you can see, the open, halfway, close didn't take that out. So now it's making my workspace shorter to work in, but we're going to have to maximize what we do have because it's not popping. Now some may say I push the fade up, but I'm going to have to push the fade up because it's not blending how I like it to blend. So we're going to be precautionary and flick out with this one guard open. And as we using our bigger guards to flick up, we're going to try to gradually blend the ball area into the taper, because it's ultimately what the goal of a taper and a fade is blending them two together. So you about to see what I'm talking about, because as we close this thing up, you're going to see that it's not blending well together. So we're going to have to go back no guard open and reestablish that no guard open line to connect everything, because the ball part of the taper has to pop and it has to flow into the rest of the fade. So as you can see here, we haven't just detailed more and push the fade up more just so we can make the blend pop. And now we're gonna use our trimmers to erase this line out even more and push the ball part up some. But like I said, the taper has to pop, man. The taper has to pop. If the taper's not popping, it's like, what's the point of even doing one, bro? You should have just lined everything up. But it's the detail work in the barber's eye that gets everything, you know, the way it should be, or the way the barber how he sees it, because people are going to get cut by you based off how you see things, not based off how they see it. And we have this big wave right here, as y'all can see at the top of his taper. So we're gonna use the 1.5 guard and just kind of use the heel of our blade we're not gonna cut in two. We're gonna stay right up under it. As y'all can see, we staying right up under that wave. We don't want to cut into that wave. Just me personally, it's a good stopping point for this taper. And as y'all can see, the fade is getting more blurrier, and it's a tighter blend. And now we're gonna drop it down in that one guard open and flick that out to blend it in even more. But I would like this look on the taper for this haircut. Not what I was getting initially, but like I said, sometimes you have to raise that ball line up some. And just because you go no guard open halfway then close, it doesn't guarantee that you're gonna have a crispy taper. Now my client has a cowlick on the left side and the right side is normal. So all we're gonna do is smooth down the curls in the front on the hairline, not on the cowlick side, because the hair grows backwards, not forward. So as you can see, we're skipping that little portion right there. And we're gonna do our shaving cream and hot towel method to get everything laid down. And we're gonna come in with our hitters, man. While we letting it dry right there, we're gonna hit our back taper. We kind of want to keep the back taper kind of like the same height as the side tapers. We don't want to keep a super low back taper, so we're gonna bring it up just a tad bit. And as you can see with his head shape, there's not really much room for a low taper anyway. It could be done, but it's not necessary. And as you can see right here, the open halfway close, it blends way better in the back than it does on that side taper. It blended like super easy. Like I said, it's just trial and error. You can't cut two parts of one head the same. It's all different. It's all different proportions, all different densities, all different hair patterns. You just got to go with the flow, bro. You just got to be able to move like water, man. I'm just gonna keep it real. It takes a very good eye and attention to detail to be able to get these haircuts how they are. You know, if you're struggling with tapering and fading and lining, bro, it's an ongoing struggle. Just because you may think I'm good at it doesn't mean I don't struggle with it. It's a everyday process, a struggle, it's a learning process, and you continue to grow with it. So keep your head in the game, keep studying these videos and others videos, and taking constructive criticism from other people, and just keep grinding and keep fading, bro. Cause it's an ongoing learning process. It's a constant journey. So now with wavers, you gotta understand that all this is overhang. So we're not about to dig into it, but we are about to clip this overhang right here, man. And just gotta let your clippers do the work. You know, proper prepping helps your tools and your trimmers do what they supposed to do. So like if you wash the hair before you taper it and fade it, the clippers gonna cut like butter. If you wash the hair and you prep the hair before you line it and do the shaving cream method and hold and spray, dry shampoo, whatever you do, it's gonna help your trimmers hit like butter. But if you just going in all willy-nilly, bro, it's gonna be very difficult for you. So you have to make sure that you prep. Prepping is, man, I would say 75% of the game when it comes to efficiency with your tools and just your timing. So this is the finished product, man. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment what you want to see in, you know, upcoming videos. Comment if you learned anything, let me know, man. I need feedback. And if you want me to critique any of your haircuts, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is in the description below. Don't hesitate to DM me. I'm not gonna roast you, get on you, make fun of you, bruh. I'm on your team. All you gotta do is DM me some work and ask me a question, man. Just get it popping, bro. But if you like haircut tutorials like these, man, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. I got more videos coming out for y'all.